was wondering, do the police have the right to just stop you, one person every time they see them walking to the store?
That's a great question.
Right. Yeah, I mean, that's a good question people always ask. You generally, the police have to have some kind of what's called probable cause or suspicion to be able to stop you. Not saying that it doesn't happen, but generally you've got to have some kind of reasoning. You know, whether you're walking or if you're driving, they've got to have something that they would suspect that you're doing something you shouldn't be or violating some kind of law.
But what should your reaction be even if you are upset that you feel like, you know, that there's not a cause for them to stop you? What should your reaction be, though? What would be your best advice on that?
Well, generally, you know, even if you feel like they're doing something they shouldn't, I mean, if you're cooperative and nice and just cooperate, and then it's going to be a lot easier
instead of escalating the situation.
Right, things get out of hand. I mean, it's not saying that some things don't just happen because you know, somebody's an officer's in a bad mood. Generally, you know, officers are doing their jobs, and you know, if you feel like you're being mistreated, just the thing to do is not to fight back, not to resist arrest, that sort of thing, and just you know, it's not something that can be played out in the street.
Should a citizen report that to someone in the police department if they feel like something has happened that was incorrect?
Yeah, I mean, you can go and fill out what's called an internal affairs report if you feel like you've been mistreated, and most police departments have a process where you go fill out some paperwork, and they're supposed to do an investigation and you know, see what happened and talk to the officers. If there's any kind of video or something, watch that.
Okay.